Froth flotation method. Students, in this video we are going to study the next method for the concentration of the ore. That means the froth flotation method. The froth flotation method is based on the two opposite properties, hydrophilic and hydrophobic of the particles. What is hydrophilic? Mix with water or wet with water. If the particles are hydrophilic in nature, that means they love water and they mix with water or wet with water. Hydrophobic. The particles does not mix with water or wet with oil. The particles which are hydrophobic in nature, these particles are do not loving with water, so they do not wet with water, but they can wet with oil. So this is hydrophobic property. Here the particles of metal sulfides, due to their hydrophobic property, get wetted mainly with oil, while due to the hydrophilic property, the gangue particles get wetted with water. Students, the froth flotation method is the concentration of the ore method. That means this method is used for concentrating only the metal sulfide ores. The metal sulfide ores, particles of the metal sulfides are hydrophobic in nature. So they do not wet with water, but they can be wetted with the oil. While the gangue particles, the impurities which are present in the sulfide ores, this can get it with water. So by considering this hydrophobic and hydrophilic property, nature of these gangue particles and the ore particles, we can separate the gangue from the sulfide ores. Now we are going to study the mechanism or working of the froth flotation method. Froth flotation machine. In the froth flotation method, the froth flotation machines are used. As shown in figure, you can see that there is one big tank-like container. Then there is one agitator which is fixed at the center of the container, which can be rotated at its own axis. Then there is one air supplier at the upper surface of the tank. Now what is the process? In this big tank-like container, we are going to add the powdered ore, ample amount of water, as well as some quantity of the oil, any vegetable oil, pine oil or eucalyptus oil in it, so as to make the froth. Now from the upper side, we are going to blow the pressurized air in the tank, so that the agitator start to rotate along its own axis. Due to the rotating agitator, water, oil and powdered ore get mixed up. As we know that the metal sulfide ore particles are hydrophobic, so they do not wet with water, but they stick with the oil particles. And the gangue particles, impurities which are present in the ore powdered, these impurities are hydrophilic in nature, so they wet with the water. As due to the formation of the froth, the foam is formed due to the air as we blow the air in water. Due to the froth formation, the foam which is produced on the surface of water, this foam contains the oil particles, and these oil particles are the sulfide ore particles are sticked with oil, or they are wetted with oil. And this foam can be removed as shown in figure in the launcher. Then the impurities which are wetted with water, these impurities get settled down at the bottom of the tank, and it can be removed out from the tailings as shown in the diagram. There is one opening to remove out the impurities. In this way, the metal sulfide ores can be concentrated or can be purified, or we can separate the gangue particles from the metal sulfide ores by using this froth flotation method. The particles of certain sulfide ores float with foam on water as they preferentially get wetted by the oil. For example, this method is used for the concentration of the zinc blende, ZNS, and copper pyrite CuFeS2.